How do I extract the pin, VIN, and kilometer from the ECM data?
And that too without any guesswork? In just 2 minutes? What happens most often? The car won't start. Me think the problem is electrical. But the real problem is with the data. Then what do we do? Request the file from a friend or try old data. It takes time to find the file. It doesn't match. It takes 30 minutes to 1.5 hours on the scanner. And finally, sometimes the car starts. Sometimes it's a complete waste of time. To solve this problem, we've created a simple software. With this software, you can directly extract the pin from ECM data, check the VIN, read the kilometer, view the software version. Meaning, without guessing, you'll get all the details right away. Who can use this software? Locksmith, meter repair technician, ECM repair engineer,
car wiring expert,
beginner or expert. Both can use it. What will the locksmith do? He will directly generate the pin, no waiting. Meter repair gone? He will verify the kilometer, use the correct data. All have the same benefit. Time will be saved, and the work will be done in minutes. Now you won't write data without testing it. First, you'll check the data, match it, then write it. Result: accurate, fast, no trial and error. Compared to market software, this solution is simple, and the cost is low. If you want this software, the number is in the description. WhatsApp it.